What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? Want to feel decades younger and full of life? I've got a simple secret to roll back the years in just 60 seconds. Behold the power of the plank, your daily dose of strength and youth. Stay with me and discover how this gravity-defying move transforms your body. Imagine waving goodbye to aches and pains as energy surges through your sculpted physique. Give me 1 minute, and I'll prove the plank can melt fat, erase stiffness, and pump up your power regardless of age. Get ready to stand tall and flexible again. The new you is waiting to emerge, stronger, pain-free, and overflowing with vitality. Join me and reclaim the posture and vigor you deserve. This simple exercise awakens dormant muscles for a renewed, youthful body. The plank is your quick escape to the fountain of youth. Let's start your journey back to health together. Just a quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only. If you're not feeling your best, it's always smart to chat with your doctor. Number 1. Improved posture. Many of us, especially as we grow older, often find ourselves stuck in what we call the desk jockey position. This is the result of spending long hours seated in front of a steering wheel, a computer screen, or simply watching television. The consequences of this habitual posture can be quite apparent. A rounded upper back, shoulders slumped forward, and a pelvis tilting backward. In simpler terms, sitting in this manner alters the way our muscles function. Some muscles become overextended, others shorten, and some become overly active while others become less engaged. Instead of relying on our muscles to maintain a steady, balanced spine, we find ourselves depending on our bones for support. So, how do we effectively combat this issue? The solution lies in a highly effective exercise known as planking. Planking offers an excellent means to enhance your posture, primarily by strengthening your core muscles, which play a pivotal role in providing support to your spine and enabling you to stand tall. Weak core muscles can make it challenging to sustain proper posture, often resulting in slouching or hunching. By incorporating consistent plank exercises into your routine, you can progressively bolster the strength of your core muscles and witness substantial enhancements in your posture. As your core muscles gain strength, they offer better support to your spine, making it significantly easier for you to sustain an upright and healthy posture. Number 2. Improved balance. Do you ever experience difficulties maintaining your balance while attempting to stand on one leg for more than a brief moment? It's not a matter of clumsiness. It's closely tied to the strength of your abdominal muscles, which play a pivotal role in preserving your equilibrium. You see, while it's easy to assume that our legs are solely responsible for our stability, the truth is it's your core that bears the brunt of the burden in keeping you steady and upright. So, if you're seeking to enhance your balance and excel in a variety of physical activities, it's high time to introduce exercises such as side planks and planks with extensions into your daily fitness regimen. These targeted exercises are your secret weapon for fortifying your core strength and, in turn, elevating your overall stability. Number 3. Improved mood. Imagine your everyday routine, where you find yourself sitting for hours on end, whether it's at your home office or your workplace. It's no secret that as you age, your body tends to feel the toll of these extended periods of sitting. Your legs may grow weary from being bent for too long, your thigh muscles clench, and your shoulders tend to hunch forward due to that constant slouching. Now, consider this. Plank exercises can be a game changer in how you feel. They offer a remarkable way to boost your spirits and tackle the tension that often builds up in those muscle groups that suffer from prolonged sitting. The beauty of planks lies not only in their ability to alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression, but also in their capacity to provide your hard-working brain with much-needed relief. These exercises aren't just a luxury, they're a necessity as you journey through the later stages of life. Incorporating planks into your routine can be the key to unlocking a world of benefits, helping you maintain your physical and emotional well-being. Number 4. Decreased risk of back injury. Let's talk about a fantastic way to boost your back health, especially for those of us in our 50s and beyond. By including planks in your fitness routine, you're giving your back muscles a serious boost. This translates to better support and stability, particularly in the upper back region. Now, it's no secret that back pain is a common concern, with roughly 31 million Americans experiencing it at any given time, according to the American Chiropractic Association. For many of us dealing with those pesky lower back issues, there are some familiar patterns. Things like stiffness in the mid-back and hips, weaker glutes, and a habit of relying too much on the lower back for movement tend to come into play. But here's the good news. Planks are your secret weapon. They work to create a solid corset of support around your spine. Regular plank exercises don't just make those back muscles stronger, they also help your body develop a sense of stability, showing it how to maintain a sturdy, well-supported posture. So, if you're aiming for a healthier, more comfortable back, planks are a golden ticket. Did you find these tips useful? Great! Stick around, because we've got some valuable advice coming your way. We're going to reveal the proper technique and useful tips on how you can maximize your plank position. Number 5. Improved core definition. Have you ever wondered how to sculpt those core muscles for a stronger and more defined midsection? Planking might just be the answer you've been looking for. Planking isn't just about holding a position. It's a powerful workout that targets the core muscles responsible for supporting your spine and maintaining posture. These core muscles, including your abs, deep core muscles, obliques, and back muscles, are all hard at work when you plank. But here's where it gets exciting. As you make planking a regular part of your routine, you're not only strengthening your core, but also developing those muscles. And guess what? This development can lead to a visibly more defined core. So, if you're looking to boost your core definition, planking might just be your new secret weapon. Number 6. More flexibility. Do you want to enhance your flexibility and build strong muscles? Here's how planking can help you do that. Consistent plank exercises can do wonders for your body. They help boost flexibility in various areas, including your hamstrings, arches of your feet, and toes. Additionally, planks work wonders for your back and shoulders, targeting muscles like your shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone. But that's not all. Side planks, when added to your routine, help you shape those oblique muscles. This isn't just about aesthetics. It also helps you with toe flexibility, which is crucial for supporting your body's weight. Incorporating planks and side planks into your workout routine can lead to impressive gains in flexibility and strength, making your fitness journey more rewarding. Number 7. Boost metabolism. Unlike traditional ab exercises like crunches and sit-ups, a plank is a calorie-burning workout. But how? The secret lies in strengthening your core muscles, which happen to be some of the largest in your body. When you make planks a regular part of your workout routine, you're not only sculpting your midsection, but also turning your body into a calorie-burning machine, even during your downtime. Now, think about this. If you spend most of your day glued to a computer screen, this is especially important. Incorporating a daily plank routine before or after work can rev up your metabolism, keeping it firing on all cylinders throughout the day. Interested in boosting your metabolic rate and burning more calories? Give planks a try. Number 8. Look thinner. You see, many of us, both women and some of the gentlemen out there, have this tendency to sport a little too much of a curve in our lower back. It's like we're putting all our weight on the poor lower back vertebrae. In simpler terms, we're kinda leaning on the lower back. Now, this not-so-great habit can lead to all sorts of trouble, like too much wiggling down there and a pelvis that's tilting forward. The result? Well, it can make it look like we've got a bit of bulging lower belly, or a not-so-welcome lower tummy pooch. But hey, here's where planking comes to the rescue, especially for those of us who have been around the block a few times. You see, planking exercises are like the secret weapon to fixing this posture thing. They get to work by toughening up those buttocks, rectus abdominis, and oblique muscles. The magic of planks is that they help us find that sweet spot, a balanced hip and spine position. It's all about getting back to that neutral posture we should be rocking. So, whether you're in your mid-30s, 40s, or anyone over 50, planking can be your trusty sidekick on the journey to a healthier posture. Now, there are various ways to perform a plank exercise, and one of the simpler methods is by doing a high plank or front plank. This exercise is similar to push-ups, with a small twist. Rather than relying on your palms for support, you'll use your elbows. Let's break it down into steps. Step 1. Start by lying flat on the ground. Step 2. Position your elbows and legs flat on the ground, similar to the setup for push-ups. Step 3. Elevate your body, ensuring your chin is snug against your neck. Step 4. Maintain this position for a solid 10 seconds. Step 5. Lower your body back down. Repeat this sequence 3 times, then take a brief rest. Keep in mind that your back should be completely straight while performing this exercise. While there are more advanced variations, such as planks with leg and arm lifts, if you're just starting out, it's advisable to stick with the front plank workout because it's a solid choice for beginners and will yield positive results. Remember, there are specific situations when you should avoid doing planks. If you have a shoulder injury, if you experience shoulder pain during or after the exercise, if you're expecting a baby. Please keep in mind that if you feel any of the pains mentioned above, it's a good idea to consult a qualified health professional for further guidance on performing this exercise safely. Here are some useful tips to make the most of your plank exercise routine. If you're new to planking, it's a good idea to have a trainer oversee your first attempts. Aim to hold the plank position for at least 15 seconds during each session and work your way up to a minute. Start with just 1 plank per day and gradually work your way up to doing 3 to 10 planks daily to maximize the benefits. As you progress, consider incorporating side planks into your routine. They can enhance your flexibility. If you're doing planks at home, try doing them in front of a mirror or with someone who can provide guidance. Most importantly, find enjoyment in the process. Over time, you'll become stronger and more resilient. By following these tips, you can make your plank exercises engaging and effective while ensuring you get the most out of your efforts. Given the numerous advantages of this seemingly straightforward exercise position, it's no surprise that the plank posture is gaining popularity among fitness enthusiasts. So are you going to try planking now? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, if you found this video useful, check out this video on how to improve your health. Don't forget to check out the description for some extra bonus tips. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.